The Byw'n course came about, I suppose, as a response to supporting people's health and well-being in the community. It's basically a co-produced course, which means that it's been designed in collaboration by community members and professionals as well. The aim of it is basically to support people's health and well-being. So it's accessible by many different ways, but for people over 50 years of age, who I suppose might be living with health conditions, but might just want to also be able to be more active, learn a bit more about what they can do to manage their health.
The course is absolutely inspirational. I was at a trade fair, sort of like an expo trade fair where all the medical tables get together, and I happened across it, and I always try to keep fit all my life. So when I saw it, I signed up straight away. I didn't really have any apprehensions. I was eager to get started. It's not only the little exercises that you do, it's learning how to keep yourself healthy and fit, because you get a bit complacent when you get older. And so you're given a lot of hints and tips on your balance and how to keep yourself safe and the things you can do. But also, it's the social side of it. You're mixing with half a dozen people, all of the same mindset. So yeah, it's really nice.
There's a number of courses running across Cardiff and Vale, so it's accessible in community venues such as leisure centres or community hubs, and we have a number of venues in Cardiff and Vale and Morgan, and then we also do some specific locations with community groups. It's all about prevention, the course, so we want to support people a bit earlier in their lives so that they can then learn things that they can do to help themselves, but also I suppose achieve the things they want to be able to do so they can become more physically active and a bit more active in their community as well.
It does help, both physically and mentally. You don't think about your balance, and that's one of the first things that is going to go when you get older. But it makes you concentrate on things that are important. They are full of information. They know their job, and they're very helpful, and they listen.
The course itself is 6 weeks long, and people attend the course twice a week for 6 weeks. Each session is an hour long, and there's 2 parts to each session. First of all, there's a group discussion where people learn a bit more about the things they can do to manage their health. There's topics such as physical activity, how to improve your sleep, and how to prevent falls, brain health, healthy eating, amongst a number of different topics. And then that's followed by an exercise part of the session, which is focused on improving strength, balance, and general function so that people can do the things they enjoy doing.